we have 3 pi over 4, and we need to convert to degree. It's going to be 3 pi over 4 times 180 over pi. So this pi and gone. 180 and 4, this is 145. And we are getting 135 degrees. Question number 9. Okay, negative pi over 2. That's going to be negative pi, okay, hold on, negative pi over 2 times 180 over pi. So pi and pi is gone. 180 over 2 is going to be negative 90 degrees. Question number 10. 78 degrees. Okay, now what if we are not getting the whole number or fraction? What we're going to do, if I want to know how much it is, how many precise radians, not with pi, but precise with number. So what can I do in this case? I'm going to write down again 78 times pi over 180. See, I flipped it. Pi went on the top, 180 came at the bottom because I'm going to get radians. So it's 78. I can reduce here is 13. 180 is going to be 30. I reduced by 6. So, and I'm getting 13 pi over 30, which means it's going to be equal 13 times, let me write down here, pi, the length of pi is equal 3.1416. Pi, it can be identified as 180 degrees, and in the format of length, 3.1416. So, which is going to be equal 3.1416 times, divided by 30. So if you do the math, it's going to be 40.8408 over 30. And that's going to be equal approximately, tilde, 1.36 radian. Question number 11, negative 54 degrees. That's going to be equal 54 negative times pi over 180. That is equal negative 3 pi over 10. I reduced by 18. And this is equal negative 3 times 3.1416 over 10, which approximately will give me negative 0.94 radian. Question number 12, 180 degrees is equal 120 times pi over 180. We divide by 60. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. We get 2 pi over 3. So it's going to be 2 times 3.1416 over 3. And approximately it gets 2.09 radian. Okay, next let's draw this angle, show the position. standard position of angle on the circle in the format of degree and format of radian. All right, so 60 degrees. We need to draw 60 degrees. So let me pick here our graph. What do we have? This is 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 180 degrees because every angle is 90 degrees, right? 180 degrees, this is 270 degrees. We need 60 degrees. Okay, so 60 degrees, which means falling in the first quadrant, yes? And quadrants goes counted in the counterclockwise. For people who are not good with this graphing environment, I have a video that I go over in details. Okay, I will put the reference to that video at the end of the screen. All right, so 60 degrees. If it's 90 degrees, then the 45 degrees is going to go right in the middle, correct? Which means 60 degrees, it's going to go a little bit at above, about 15 degrees above. And this is going to be your 60 degrees. Moving to next one, 300 degrees. So for 300 degrees, how are we gonna deal? We know that this is 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and back 360 degrees. So if I do one full circle, this is going to be 360 degrees, but I need 300. So what do? I need to go 60 degrees back, right? I need to go 60 degrees short, or 270 add here 30 degrees, which is going to go 30 degrees, it's going to be about like this. Which means I'm going to shorten this 360 degrees, and this is going to be my 300 degrees. So either this angle, it's going to be 30 degrees, and this angle is going to be 60 degrees. But negative, it's going to be negative 60 degrees because we are going clockwise. Just to be sure, this is circle, right? Our positive angle goes counterclockwise. Negative angle goes clockwise. So this is negative angle, and this is positive angle. Since I showed this way, see, clockwise, then it's going to be negative 60 degrees. Okay, question number 15. All right. Let's see how many degrees we take. 405 degrees. All right. So 405 degrees, that's more than 360, yes? Which means I have to do one full circle. Oops. One full circle. And then we'll see how much more I have to go. So if I take 405, minus 360, it's gonna be 45 degrees. So 45 degrees, it's coming right in the middle, right? Which means I have to continue another 45 degrees. So this will be 405 degrees. All right? And this is 0 degrees and 360 degrees, correct? 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. All right, moving to question number 16. Now let's draw the angle based on given radian, in the form of radian. In the form of radian, we need to do a little bit more calculation. Okay. So how I'm going to work out 3/4 for pi? I'm going to represent 3/4 over pi. When I have fraction 3/4 meaning I'm breaking down the whole piece into four pieces. 1, 2, okay, not precisely equal 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and I'm taking 3 pieces. Okay, so exactly same way I'm going to do 3/4 of the pi. This is my pi, right? 180 degrees. But I'm not taking the whole 180 degrees. I need to take only 3/4 of this 180 degrees. So therefore, what am I going to do? I'm going to break into 4 parts. This is from 0 to 180. 4, which means every 90 degrees I'm going to break into 45, which means it's going to go right in the middle. Right? So this is 45, this is 45, this is 45, this is 45. So from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come from initial position. So 3 of them, I need to take 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Broke on 4 pieces and took only 3 of them. And this is 3 pi over 4. All right? So if I represent this with pi, it's going to be, this is going to be pi, this is pi over 2, this is 3 over 2 pi, 270 degrees. Okay? Moving to question number 17. Okay, let's see how much it's going to be. Question number 17. It's going to be 19 pi over 6. Okay, let's do drafting. 19 pi over 6, it is improper fraction, right? So I'm going to convert 19 over 6. It's going to be 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Remainder 1 and 6. Whoever doesn't remember how to convert into mixed fraction, look into my basic math playlist and you definitely will find their conversion. Okay, this is, I'm going to write down 3 pi plus 1 over 6 pi. Okay, And based on that notation, I'm going to draw the graph. So first I'm going to build 3 pi, right? 3 times pi. This is pi. This is 0. Okay? So it's going to go 1, 2, and then 3, right? So now I have to build 1/6 of the pi. 1/6 of the pi, meaning I'm breaking down into 6 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, it's not equal, should be equal. And picking only one piece, which means this 1 pi I'm breaking down into 6 and pick one piece. So to break down into 6, that means since this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, so each one of them I have to break into 3 pieces, so total would be 6. 3 pieces, 90 degrees divided by 3, it's going to be 30 degrees. So it's going to go 30, 30. Okay, that's not good. 1, 2, 3. This is okay. Well, not precisely equal, and it doesn't look even 30 degrees. Well, approximately, each of them is 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Okay. So I need only one piece, correct? So I'm grabbing only one piece right here, which is going to be 30 degrees. So this is 19 pi over 6. So from looking at the picture, I can say how many degrees it's going to be. 3 times 80, 3 times 180 degrees, right? We went 3 times pi. 3 times 180, it's 540 degrees. And plus this piece, which was 30 degrees. So 570 degrees. Yes? Okay. Moving to question number 18. Oops, this is 17. Moving to question number 18. So we have 8 pi over 3. I want to do a couple of more like this so we can learn, feel comfortable. One, two, okay, 8 pi over 3, or 8 over 3 pi. It's in proper fraction, so I'm converting to mixed fraction, which is going to be 2 and 2 over 3 of pi. So I'm writing down 2 pi plus 2 over 3 pi. Yes? Let's go. This is pi. This is 2 pi, which is 360 degrees, and also 0. Okay, so 2 pi, I'm going 1 and 2, and now 2 over 3 pi, so this whole piece, this 1 pi, I have to break into 3 pieces and take 2. So the whole pi is 180 degrees. If I break into 3 pieces, it's going to be, each of them is going to be 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees, it's going to be something like this. And we have 160, another 60, and then third 60, right? 3 pieces. And we take only 2 of them, so this will continue 2 pieces right here. Okay, and this is 8 pi over 3. If I clean this piece, this will look better. So this is gonna be my angle. And that's gonna be how much? 2 pi is 360 degrees, right? 360 degrees, and plus 2 pieces, each piece is 60 degrees, plus 120 degrees, which is gonna be 480 degrees. All right? Okay. Moving to question number 19. Let me make it thicker. Question number 19. Now let's work with negative angles. We have negative 3 pi over 4. So the thing is, when we have if this is our circle, so counterclockwise we count positive ones, positive angles, and clockwise, those are negative angles. So negative 3/4 of pi, that means I have to divide negative coming this way, right? Negative 3/4, I have to divide by 4 parts the pi itself, which is gonna be 1 and 2. Remember, we are working with negative, therefore it's coming this way, correct? Therefore I am breaking down into 4 parts, 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes? And picking only 3. So my angle is going to be right this. I picked up 3, and this is negative. Negative 3 pi over 4. All right? So let me clean this so it won't be, and I can go over like this. Question number 20. Negative 7 pi over 6. And this will be the last one. All right. Negative 7 over 6 pi is equal negative 1 and 1 over 6 pi, right? Which means negative, it's going to be negative 1 pi, right? Well, negative I can drop because it's a direction, and plus 1 over 6 pi. Okay. So since it's negative 1 pi from 0, this is pi, from 0 I'm coming 1 pi, right? And then let's count 1 over 6. Since we have 1 over 6 whole pi, so this pi that I'm going to go this way, so I'm going to break down into 6 pieces and pick only 1. So divide by 6 pieces. So each quadrant, this and this, 90 degrees, I'm going to divide by 3. So total will be 6. If I'm dividing by 3, that means each angle is going to be 30 degrees, right? 1, 2. Well, not the best. Okay, 6 pieces. And I'm picking only one. So it's coming right here. I'm breaking all 6 pieces for you to see. Otherwise, I don't need all this breaking because I need only one piece of it, which is 30 degrees. And that would be it. All right. All right. So I can clean those to make it clean picture. And here we are. All right. Hopefully this helped you to understand how to find the position on the unit circle. And I'll see you further as I record the next video. Thank you for watching.